Hey everyone, the Honor X9c is a noteworthy mid-range smartphone that strikes a mix between outstanding features, incredible durability, and a fair pricing. This phone came out of our rigorous testing, which included a number of severe crash tests on concrete floors, essentially unharmed. The Honor X9c demonstrated its sturdy construction by continuing to function even after being dropped repeatedly from different heights. Even though it had small cosmetic blemishes, its functionality was unaffected. For a $400 smartphone, this degree of durability is an amazing accomplishment. The Honor X9c's shockproof and waterproof design is among its most alluring features. It can withstand submersion in water for up to 5 minutes at a depth of 25 centimeters, thanks to its IP65 certification. Additionally, it has curved screen edges, a design decision that is controversial, but still looks good. Because it is made of matte plastic, the phone is sturdy but lightweight. One of its best features is its 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, which has a high resolution of 2,700 by 1,200 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. With their brilliant colors and remarkable brightness levels that peak at 4,000 nits, the images are worthy of a flagship. Changing to the normal mode produces more natural hues, although the default color calibration tends toward chilly tones. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, and an extra 12 gigs of virtual memory form the foundation of the performance-focused Honor X9c. Even though the processor is a holdover from the previous generation, it performs smoothly on a daily basis. Although it isn't a gaming powerhouse, the Honor X9c manages casual gaming well, providing steady frame rates at modest settings in well-known games like PUBG and Genshin Impact. Under load, the phone maintains its responsiveness with little slowdown. Another area in which the Honor X9c excels is battery life. With a modest usage duration of up to 2 days, its 6,600 mAh silicon carbon battery exhibits remarkable endurance. The gadget will achieve 55% capacity in under 30 minutes and a full charge in an hour, thanks to fast charging at 66 watts. The lack of wireless charging, however, is a small inconvenience in an otherwise excellent package. With its 108 megapixels primary sensor and optical picture stabilization, the camera system captures detailed images with brilliant colors. It provides good results for its price range, including decent performance at 2x and 3x zoom, even though it can't match flagship cameras in fine detail. With adequate lighting and controllable noise levels, night photography is respectable. 30 frames per second, 4K video recording is the maximum. The Honor X9c, which runs Android 14 with the Magic OS 8 shell, provides a user experience that can be customized. Although they improve usability, features like the Magic Capsule, a cutout that houses the front camera and shortcuts, might not be to everyone's taste. Smooth security solutions are offered by face recognition and an in-display fingerprint scanner. In conclusion, the Honor X9c is a powerful smartphone with a ton of features that outperform its price. It may not be the best at professional-level photography or gaming, but it offers an amazing blend of battery life, display quality, and durability. The Honor X9c is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a dependable gadget with a stylish appearance and great value. Please share your opinions in the comments section. Have a nice day, and God bless you.